In Kotlin, type aliases can be used to give general type names a more domain-specific name, or long and complicated names a more succinct name. With Kotlin 2.2, this feature is being extended to include nested type aliases. There are type aliases that aren't top-level type aliases, but rather type aliases that are contained within other types. Let's look at a class called instrument stock service. We know that we need to represent our stock, and we'll do that by creating a mapping of instrument types to the instrument IDs of those types of instruments. Let's create a nested type alias for the unique instrument types called instrument type, and a nested type alias for the instrument ID set called instrument IDs. Notice we are using the UUID class from the Kotlin standard lib to represent instrument IDs here. We can then define an update stock function to do a stock take and then update our stock variable. I decided not to make a type alias for the map for transparency of the key and value types. Clearly, this feature is useful, but it does come with some restrictions. One of these being that nested type aliases can't capture the type parameters of the enclosing type. Say we wanted to refactor our instrument stock service to be more generic. So far, our instrument stock service restricts us to use instrument type and instrument IDs. What if we wanted to build a more generic stock service for arbitrary items? These items could be anything: guitars, books, even plushies, and their IDs could be serial numbers or ISB numbers, and so on. But if we want to do the same thing as instrument stock service with a nested type alias, it won't work. We can't refer to item stock service's type parameter U in our definition of item IDs like that. This restriction keeps the design of nested type aliases as simple as possible for the majority of use cases. But how do we fix it? We can reintroduce the type variable U in the nested type alias definition. Here, we add the U type parameter to item IDs and also in the stock map variable. You can find out more about the feature, including more details on its restrictions, in the Keep link down below.